On Windows 11, you can reset the settings app when it doesn't want to open, keeps crashing or experience other problems. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to reset settings app on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for Settings. Right click the top result and select the App Settings option. Click the Reset button. Click the Reset button again. Once you complete the step, the app will reset the components, delete the data and close automatically. Fix the most common problem with the experience. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.